We must start from the beginning. We had the ones that were sliced and the red ones. Different textures and different colors. This one is not red. Onions will never miss the opportunity to entertain. Everyone loves the noise that it makes. But it's not just onions that make noise. There are others, like tomatoes. Plain ground boiled tomatoes. Boiled until it had no water left in him. Meet him, the young man. His only job was to turn things around. But that wasn't all. He had other jobs like adding meat to other things and adding water to meat. But that changed everything for everyone. So we added water and salt. We added crayfish and this other one. At this point, we thought we've seen everything that needs to be seen, but we've never seen the bride, Miss Catfish. It was a wedding between Catfish and every other person. Everyone wanted Catfish, but we want to make sure the fish is properly immersed in everything else for proper transfiguration. Cover it, uncover it. Catfish cooks between 12 to 15 minutes. You just have to stay it. You don't want it sticking to the bottom of the pot or getting burned, and you want to stay careful. You don't want it broke. Nobody likes broken catfish, even though you don't see it. A lot is actually happening while this is cooking. The sugary taste of the catfish is being infused into the sauce, and vice versa. Cover it, uncover it. Catfish cooks in just 12 minutes. So it's past 12 minutes already, and we need to add some leaves. I'm using fluted pumpkin leaves, ugu leaves. Be careful whenever you stir, you don't want to break up your fish. So we cover it. And just 3 minutes later, your pot should be looking so delicious. No one can refuse this. So you can actually pair this with boiled rice, beans, fried yam, boiled yam, whatever you have, whatever you can pair with stew. And it's gonna be delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We have so much coming your way and you don't want to miss it.